Another thing I want to show you here is just some details about Coinbase Wallet, which is separate from the Coinbase app. So if we click in the top left corner here, we can scroll down here and see the option here for Coinbase Wallet. If we click on that, it's going to bring us over to the App Store, and we're not going to install this. Maybe if you guys are interested, I could do a full tutorial on just the Coinbase Wallet. Drop a like on this video and leave me a comment if you're interested. This is for people who want self-custody of their crypto assets. This is going to be more similar to like the Trust Wallet, where you have a pass key phrase generated. It is going to be something that you have to take more seriously, because instead of logging in using your login and password like your traditional Coinbase account, you just have this seed phrase that's not actually tied to your personal identity. So if you lose access to that or potentially have that compromised, you could lose 100% of your crypto assets by not being able to access them or potentially having somebody steal them. So you should really know what you're doing here before diving into self-custody of crypto assets. But this is also where you'd have the option to trade a wider variety of cryptocurrencies, as well as dApps and even NFTs. So this might be something that you may want to explore if you're interested in those types of digital assets.